Consecutive integers. I'm going to show you guys two different ways that you can do these. First way, of course, is going to be a little more complicated, but then I'll show you an easier way you can do these as well. The sum of three consecutive integers is 96. Find the integers. Consecutive integers are like 7, 8, 9. They're right in a row. Or if it said consecutive odd integers, it'd be like 7, 9, 11. You know what I'm saying? So we don't know what these numbers are, so we can represent the first one with like n or x or whatever. That's our first unknown. Now if you were thinking 7, 8, 9 and the first number was 7, how could you represent 8? Well, it's one larger than it. So you can say the second one is n plus 1. And then 9 would be 2 higher than the original. So I could represent that as n plus 2. These are going to be my three mystery numbers. It says they have the sum, which means you add them up, and it's going to equal 96. So n plus n plus n is 3n. 1 plus 2 is 3. Solve your two-step equation. Minus 3. Oops, 3n equals 93. And then we divide by 3. And we get n equals 31. Now it didn't say find n, it said find those consecutive integers. So this first one would be 31. The second one would be 31 plus 1, which is 32. The second one would be 31 plus 2, 33. Quick check, you should add these up and make sure they give you 96. And they do. So 31, 32, and 33. That is the very official way to do it. However, there is another way. You are looking for three numbers. So if you simply take 96 and you divide it by 3, it gives you 32. So that'll give you the middle number there. And then you just go down one and up one. 31, 32, and 33. Man, that's way faster. But let's say you had, I'm going to put a little space over here. Let's say there were 4 numbers that had a sum of, hold on, let me check here. 98. So you would be looking for 4 numbers. Now here when we divided by 3, it fell right on the middle number. But here if we were to divide by 4, it would give us the middle right here. Now 98 divided by 4 is 24.5. So you can figure this out. You bump it down 1, it's 24. You bump it up 1, it's 25. And then you can keep that trend going. 24, 23, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And those do add up to 98. So you can still do it even if you're looking for an even amount of them, but you'll have to kind of bump up and down from there. Okay? Let me get that out of the way so you don't get confused looking at the next slide.